Today, I'm stoked to show you how to whip up something really cool for dinner. A potato tortilla that's loaded with meat and has this awesome twist. Let's kick things off by chopping up an onion into these little cubes. You want them all about the same size so they cook up nice and even and get all sweet and yummy. And don't forget about a bunch of fresh cilantro. Chop that up real fine. Cilantro's not just a herb, it's like a flavor explosion, adding this super fresh, zesty kick to our dish. Now let's talk meat. We're using milanesa and you're gonna chop it into these tiny little squares. It's kind of fun, like playing a mini game of precision. This isn't just chopping, it's about getting those pieces just right, so they cook fast and soak up all the great flavors we're adding. Heat up your skillet with a bit of olive oil, then throw in the onions. Give them a stir and wait till they get all soft and sweet smelling. Next, toss in a minced garlic clove and wait for that awesome smell. That's when you know the party's starting. Now, in goes the diced meat. Stir it all up, getting the meat, onion, and garlic to become best friends in the pan. Wait till you see the meat getting all brown and tasty. Then, here's a cool twist. Stir in some tomato puree. Season it with salt, pepper, and that fresh cilantro. This isn't just for color, it adds a touch of sweetness and a bit of tang, making the filling rich and drool-worthy. All right, now for the tortilla part. Grab a bunch of potatoes, like a whole kilo, and grate them. This part's kind of therapeutic. Once you've got your potato shreds, give them a good squeeze to get rid of any extra water. This is super important for getting that crispiness we all love. Season the grated potatoes with some salt and pepper. Give them some love. Now, grab a big skillet, add a splash of olive oil, and spread out the grated potatoes. You're aiming for this nice even layer that's gonna crisp up like a dream. Once you've got that golden base, spread the meaty, garlicky, tomatoey mixture on top. Time for cheese. And we're not skimping here. Lay down strips of mozzarella right on top of the meat. This is gonna melt and get all gooey and amazing. Top it off with another layer of grated potato. Cover the skillet and let it cook till the bottom gets crispy and golden. Flipping it is like the big finale. Do it with confidence. Cook the other side until it's just as crispy. And there you have it, folks. Slide that beauty onto a plate, and it's like a feast for your eyes and nose before it even hits your taste buds. You've got this golden, crispy layer of potato, this hearty, flavorful meat filling, and the star of the show, melty, stretchy mozzarella. It's the kind of dish that makes you want to high-five yourself in the kitchen. This potato tortilla is all about turning simple stuff into something really special,